How to get a refund on Cash App if you got scammed. So first you want to go to your transaction history in the bottom right corner. Now from here you want to select the transaction that you want to report / get a refund for. So just click on it, and then when this opens up we want to go to the three dots in the top right corner, just select it, and from here you will see an option for Cash App support. So select Cash App support. Now it's going to take you to this page, and basically we want to search for scam and select this article right here, read through it, and then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option for chat. Click on chat, and here you will get in contact with the Cash App officials. Tell them that you got scammed, give them the transaction ID, and ask whether they can give you a refund. So hope this helps. Hope they give you a refund. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.